Hospitals are places of high emotion. You know, we have babies born here on a daily basis. You know, people find that they've got quite serious illnesses.
People attend the emergency department for varying different reasons and can be in various states of emotion and stress. So there are occasions when patients can become aggressive and threaten violence, and unfortunately attempt to commit violence to staff.
I've had plenty of verbal aggression and plenty of threats of violence. People threaten to kill me or find out where I live and come and kill me.
We'd researched the issue of body cams quite extensively. Obviously the police and local authority colleagues are using body cams, so we've got quite a bit of experience.
We've had a few incidents from the emergency department where the security team have actually implemented the body-worn video, and that's been given to the police, and then the assailant apprehended from that.
We had an incident where we used the body-worn footage. It was quite an aggressive female who assaulted one of the security staff. The female had to be restrained on site until the police arrived and arrested the female, and that actually went to court. They used the body-worn video as evidence, and we got a result there. We got a conviction.
I feel definitely a lot more safer with it, because then nobody can make a complaint against you. They're saying, "Oh, he thumped me." When in fact, you've got the camera there saying, "I haven't touched him." So it does work both ways. It protects you and also protects them.
I think it makes us feel safer knowing that the cameras are around, because it modifies the person's behaviour. I think it's like to calm them down, and if not, at least you've got the confidence knowing that your side of the story is going to be told.
It's definitely made a difference to us in those specific areas. Overall, I think it's for the security team, it's another tool in their box to help with any issues of violence and aggression to patients or to staff and visitors.